Hi, I'm Chandrasekhar. I'm doing a video how to purchase BUSD from Binance. This is a exchanger, worldwide use exchanger. We'll use it. Worldwide is using cryptocurrency exchanger. It is Binance number one. All tokens will be available or coins will be available here for trading and all exchanges. So here I'm going for this option Binance. Here I'm clicking Binance. Here you can find P2P option. Here P2P trading option. Here show you where it is. So you'll get some idea. My brush is ready. So here you see P2P trading. We can purchase and sell also. We can buy and sell here. These are all verified sellers. So no need to worry about your money. They'll be depositing around 50,000 to in Binance to buy and sell. So it is very safe here, P2P, and transaction fee will be very less. So I've opened it. You have to complete KYC. You can see here my profile here. So here email ID verified, everything is there. My UPI, everything I have added. You see payments method I added. So all methods I added. So you can find many videos on this in YouTube, how to download and complete KYC in Binance. So this is an excellent platform where we can buy, sell, trade, exchange everything. So P2P option I'm clicking on it. Now the third option I'm showing you here, this is called Binance United States dollars. New York University has verified this token, cryptocurrency token. So this is available in Binance, means it's fully verified. So I want to use this for Forsage BUSD.io program. So I'm sending to my teammates downlines how I can purchase, what is a procedure here. So this is the purpose of me making this video, because concept of Forsage is very easy, but how to activate the slots we need, what we need, it is BUSD and BSC. So I am taking the session only on BUSD. I am clicking on it. See here, 100 to 101, 1000 to 6000, 100 to 1908, but we need to purchase this one 77.20. Our rate is very high. We can't do anything, but we have to buy. There is no option for us. A little more it will be there. So I need to purchase here this 72, 77, this one. When you go down, when you scroll down, you'll get different rates. According to rates you can purchase. Here 77.26. As go down the rate increases, so better I'll go with here 77.29 buy option. I am purchasing 100 BUSD here. So here I can enter the amount. Here amount, may clear it. I need to enter the amount here, and always whenever you enter you have to put buy fiat. Buy fiat, don't put in crypto. Crypto means you will buy in crypto, but fiat means enter amount INR. So I have kept my option as INR, so I can know how much I am purchasing with it. So smoothly I am entering 8,000 rupees, and buy option is there. So here you can see how many USDs I'll get. Here 103 I'm getting. So I'm going with 8,000, and I'm clicking on everything is 13 payment method. Buyer's nickname is Akash Gautam. You can see everything, every detail is here, every detail. So Paytm, IMPS, UPI is all activated by this person to selling method. You can sell through Paytm, you can purchase to Paytm, IMPS, and by net banking, that is mean, and UPI. This all details will be given here down, and here you can see I am purchasing because he has given limit 3000 to 22,000 and I 54.70, but I am going with 8,000 rupees. So buy option I am clicking. So immediately when I buy option, you can see here one thing I want to tell you. So how many we get and all this price will be given. So what you have to do is, if you want to know also, you can see this tutorial. The methods of payment game is UPI, MPS, Paytm. So we can pay to him and he will send us crypto in P2P wallet. Then you have to put in spot wallet. So as if now, what you do is you click on transfer fund. Now you see this is the information of the person to whom you are sending the money, and he will send you BUSD within minutes. So his IMPS bank details given, UPI. I'll go with UPI. Paytm also you can use. He has given only 3 options. You can go with any one of the 3. So I'm going with third one. So I'll click on it. So you see here, the following is a seller payment info. Please make sure the money is transferred from one account to own, matching your verified name. Money will not be transferred automatically by the platform. You see, you have to check his name, Akash Gautam, and his UPI ID. I will copy this and I'll go to PhonePe. I'll send him there. From there, I'll send it here. So I hope you are clear. You have to check his name and UPI address, copy and send it there. Then you have to transfer next after you send. You have to come back and click on it. If you have doubt, you can repeatedly see this video. So I am copying this, you see, copied successfully. Now I'll go back. I'll go to my PhonePe where my amount is available. So it will open now. I've already created. You can go through. You can do with Paytm. You can go with Google Pay, whatever available. So here I'll go directly. UPI option is given to contact number or UPI address. Beam address is given, you see. So I'll enter Beam address of his. See here, new Beam address, because it's not in my Play Store list. So here everything is clear. You can send and request money to contact. Name of the contact is written successfully verified. He is verified contact. Click on that verified BIM UPI ID. Wait for some time, it will get see here nickname will come. Then you have to confirm nickname Akash Gautam. You have to confirm this, then only you have to go ahead. So I'm using for Forsage, so I'll go with it. I'll write here, okay, Forsage. Let me go like this: busd.forsage.io. I'm clicking on it. This is my purpose. I kept the name because whenever I want to send, I'll find it easily. So now, okay. Amount I'll enter because I'm taking 8,000 rupees BUSD. That Binance stable United States dollars. So my account already registered. Whatever account is registered, from there the amount will be deducted and sent to his wallet. So I'll enter whatever the pin you keep for the wallet. See here, connecting securely. When it's get done, this amount goes directly to his wallet. Then he will send BUSD to me. Done. Excellent. So I have sent the payment to him. Now what I do is, I'll go back. You see, I'll get some how much detected and all that. My bank account details will come in the top. So what you do is, next you go back. Go to Binance. Now you see, you click on transfer next. You have to do this. So it will inform you transfer next. So I'm waiting. You see here timer is given 32 minutes 16 seconds, but it will not take that much time, but it's the time which is mentioned here because we'll get panic, no. So sometimes it may happen, but very rare case it will happen. how many BUSDs and everything is given in details. So he will send you the amount. We have to wait for it, confirmation. See, every detail will be given very clearly, all details, and many videos are there in on this. But I'm a beginner. I'm doing on my point of view. So I have clicked everything. So I am clicking for appeal also, so where I can chat with him and send a message. I'm clicking on it, chat now. I have sent the amount. Let me write, sir, sir, just a minute, sir, I have sent the amount. So this is a message you can see, because sometimes they'll be busy. No need to panic on this. See here, approval has come within minutes, not more than less than within 5 minutes. You'll get the amount done. So deposit is done. I'll send him thanks. I'll send him thanks. So let me go back. I'll click on this top bottom corner here, this one. So I'll go back easily. I'll click on it. Now you see order completed. See here, order complete. Here how much he deducted. It will change. This 77 will be not fixed. It may go up also, 85 also, sometimes it will go. So it depends upon the time, the transactions, the usage is more. Order number, date, time, to whom I have sent, what method I have used. So excellent features for Binance. Most of them use, because it's the best way of to get money. So now let me rate him, because he has transferred my BUSD very quickly. So I'm going for positive feedback to him. So I'm clicking on this. So you can see this symbol positive is coming here in the bottom here. So because I gave a positive feedback to him, because he responded very quickly. You can buy and sell here, no issues. You can also buy and sell happily. So this is a procedure. What happens next, I'll show you. This I purchased, none works. Then what? That is what very important now. When I go to Binance, I'll go back. So here in P2P, I'll click on BUSD. Let me go back little. Now you see here, I'll go to my wallet here, wallet down. So I'll check my wallet here. Now my amount is in this P2P. So I need to transfer it to spot. Spot means my wallet. Where from person to person, peer to peer. That means I took it, then I have to transfer it to spot, then I have to send it to my trust wallet, whatever wallets you have, like WazirX, ZepPay. You can send and activate whatever programs or blockchain technologies you can transfer there. So here I am clicking on P2P. I'll go for BUSD. You have to be very careful. BUSD, check this. Yes, BUSD. So I'll clicking on it. You see here, my wallet is ready with 103. Everything is ready. Okay. Now let us go further. Now what I do is, I'll go with buy sell transfer option down. I'll go there. I'll click on transfer option. Second option, you have to go transfer. Then you have to get into transfer option. Now it will ask, you have peer-to-peer wallet. I am transferring to my wallet, Binance Spot wallet, which BUSD. So let me, this symbol impress is coming here, this symbol from P2P to spot wallet is coming ongoing. So you can send and take also. If you flip it, it will be spot wallet to P2P. It will be P2P to spot wallet. Now I'll enter the amount where I want to. So I'm sending 102 transfer. Now go back. Now what you do is you go and check in spot wallet. See here, spot wallet, spot. So I'm going there, spot. You can see here, this is spot. I'll go here, I'll click on it. I'm showing you very clearly. I click on it. Now click on whatever you transferred, BNB, 1 inch, whatever you transferred, all will be down. But I have transferred BUSD, so I'm going with it. I'll go with spot. I'll click on, I'm showing you BUSD. I'll click this. Once I click, see 102 is in my wallet now. From peer-to-peer I purchased. Now in my wallet is 102 available. Now what I do is, I'll send it to the address to whom this BUSD needed. Some transactions will be cutted. So I'm clicking on withdrawal and sending to the person to whom I need to send this BUSD. Like my downline is there, to which I am sending to him. So I'll click on withdrawal here. Very simple. I'll take his address which is available in WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, wherever you will get the address of his, you can take the address of him here. Okay, done. So I'm going up where he has sent the address to me. Yeah, this is the address. See here, this is blockchain. Blockchain technology means no one can manipulate. No one, completely decentralized. No back office. Nothing, no withdrawal. You will get directly into the wallet. Wallet is like purse. This is address sent by him. So I'm going and copying this address. You can observe BSC and BUSD address will be same. This is BSC Binance Smart Chain, where this BUSD run, this block smart chain run, smart technology, smart program, smart contract, Forsage will run. So I'm copying it. I'm going back to my address. Paste this address. Make sure you confirm. See here, always remember it should be BIP20. Don't go for this 2. It should be BIP20 BSC Smart Chain on which this program run. Make sure you have to click on this. Clicking on this here. And sign is here available. It shows whether we are in right track or not. Now confirm. Amount. The amount you need to enter is 102. I'm entering. So withdrawal option. Just a minute. Let me go back. Okay. Confirm. Now verification. For this he will ask you 2 things. Send code. You will get 2-way verification. One is on mobile, one is on email. That it is safe, no hacking, safe. It's very safe. I'm going there. I'll click both at a time. Make sure you click both at a time. That will be better. Immediately you'll get from mobile, you'll get from your email ID. You have to paste it here within the second 60 seconds will be given for both. You have to paste it and your transaction will be successful. So 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, I'm clicking both. 1, 2. See, seconds are coming 59, 58. Now first I'll get in mobile. So I'll go there. See, came very easily. It's coming. You see. Copy the verification code. Copy the code and send it here. Paste it here. That's all. Now go back. Now I go to fastly to email, my email ID. This is the only thing you have to be very quick, because two-way verification is very important. Here you will get email like this. Binance. I'm going here because two-way no scammer can do. No manipulation, no changing, nothing. So here I'm going and copying this code. Copy link. First time it will be difficult. Later it will be very easy for you. See, I'm going here. Time seconds, 10 seconds are left. I'm putting my code, submit. That's all. Waiting for approval. Your withdrawal, right? Wonderful. Withdrawal requests 100 BUSD to this address which he has sent me. Always it start with OX, you remember. Okay, OX means for Trust Wallet it is. So it is going to Trust Wallet, this address. So this is blockchain. No one can change it. No manipulation or not. See how neatly this is. Let me check once. We can check in the wallet whether he received BUSD or not. This simple procedure. View history, you can click. View history. You can see what you have done till now. What transactions you have done till now. All details will be given here. Simple. I've showed you how we use Binance, P2P purchasing, sending to Trust Wallet, 100 BUSD I've sent it. You can repeatedly see this video and understand. If you get any doubt, you can message me 9666406195. I'm doing two projects, that is Forcharge BUSD.forcharge.io, which is completely decentralized cryptocurrency project based on Binance USDT and Ether Connect. I'm doing both. Both are wonderful projects. Both will make crore-patis easily. So that's all for this. If you like and subscribe my channel and message me. If you are interested to join, you can message in WhatsApp. I'll help you out. Thank you. Bye bye.